CRONOS is down 57% in the last year. And we look at the price of CRO, things have been very, very stagnant. But could it be time to buy CRONOS? Of course, not financial advice, just a talking head. I'm going to give you some insight into this, at least give you some tools in order for you to be best equipped to make the best decisions moving forward. Now, you guys know how I feel about CRO. I still hold a ton of it. I believe in the platform long term. Of course, the entirety of centralized exchanges scares me, but with CRONOS, it's a little bit different because they're building in the DeFi sector and they have other things that they offer to their customers, like the debit cards, for example, and they have a path forward, in my opinion. That is why I continue to invest in CRONOS. Now, from a price standpoint, could it be time to be possibly looking for an entry position basically right here above 5 cents? So you can kind of see it on this chart, and stay with me here throughout this video because it's going to be jam-packed. We're going to dive into some nitty-gritty on the charts here. Make sure you guys smash the like button for us. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. It's been a little while since I've done a CRONOS video. I know. I'm still here, though. Still talking about it. There's just so many things to address in crypto. So we can kind of see it in this chart. Kind of, right? Showing kind of our local bottom. Now, if I show you this back in June, we hit this 5.2 number, actually a little bit lower. Right now, we're sitting right on it. Now, one of two things are going to happen, in my opinion. Either we're going to bounce off this number and we're going to get a short-term rally, perhaps all the way back up to 6 cents, a little bit above it, maybe even 7 cents if we can close that second gap, or we're going to continue to fall. Now, no matter what, I'm hanging on to my long-term bag. Again, just telling you what I'm doing, not financial advice. You've got to do what's best for you. But let me take you inside the actual chart here, because what's going on over here is very, very interesting. Let me pull this up so you can see it. So last time we got this potential signal down here at this price point, we got a potential or a possible retracement up on our XT algo. When we got that signal, it was back in June, mid-June. We popped all the way up to the 6.2 level. Doesn't seem like a whole heck of a lot, but let's just say we got in right when the possible retracement flashed, and we got out when the possible retracement came down. That's still a 17% swing. Now, would you like to make 17% on your money? Sounds pretty nice to me, right? That would have been a nice 17% gain there from mid-June until mid-July, about a month's time. So it took a month for that trade to execute from possible retracement up to possible retracement down. Now, recently, we got a possible retracement up here, but then the overall cryptocurrency market came down. We actually got a very strong indicator. That's momentum down. By the way, if you're interested in XT Algo, you're seeing these indicators. After you decide to purchase XT Algo, this is my indicator. By the way, it's 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't like it within a month, I'll give it back to you. I show you how all of this works and what these indicators mean as well. XT Algo, link down below in the description. There's a huge discount going on right now. Link down below. Use the discount code at checkout. It's in the description of this video if you're interested in making some trades here in this bear market. But we got momentum down. That's a very strong indicator. So it kind of erased our possible retracement up indicator. That's fine. This is a stronger indicator, momentum down. Now, since that point, we've been trending sideways, but we did get a possible retracement up signal back here on August 19th. Since then, we're trading sideways. I've been talking about this. Volatility is going to come back into the market. Every chart right now is pretty much like this, flat for the last 7 to 10 days. Now, what's interesting about CRONOS is last time we got this signal at this point, we had that 17% swing. So are we gearing up for another potential 17-point swing? And if so, we can take advantage of that. Now, you might be looking at this as an entry point for a long-term investment, not financial advice, but this is the lowest point we've been at in a year. So if you're looking for a low point on CRO, we're here. We're here. Now, recently, back in July, they talked about CRONOS price being at a crossroads, and we're still kind of there. However, we could be gearing up for a short-term move here with CRONOS, again, based on our XT Algo indicator and what happens this week with volatility. So we're going to be keeping a very, very close eye on this because I want a bigger, stronger indicator that shows us that we could close this gap. Let's just do this. If we were to close this gap from current price levels, right, and close this trade right where we started to come down last time, we're looking at a potential 20% swing to the upside. In a bear market, getting a 20% swing to the upside is beautiful, right? Now, again, I have my long-term CRO bag. I'm not holding it. But in the meantime, if I can make a 20-point swing using this tool, super easy to use, by the way, why not? Right? Why not? So right now I'm waiting, and I'm waiting for a lot of things to happen, not only with CRO, but I'm waiting for Bitcoin. I'm waiting for SHIB. This week's going to be crucial for me for trades. So I think it might be a heavily traded week. I'm gearing up to be using XT Algo a lot this week. Again, plans and pricing down below, 30-day money-back guarantee, getting a ton of great feedback. Got over 100 people now using the service, getting some great feedback, people making some successful trades out there. By the way, can be used for stocks, crypto, Forex, commodities, doesn't matter. It works well with everything. But that's where I'm at with the price of CRONOS right now. So is it time to buy? I don't know just yet, but a couple things. If you're looking at a low point in the last year, we're here. So take that for what you will. I think you can read between the lines here. And again, we're waiting for that pretty much volatility and volume to come back into crypto one way or another, and we're going to be making a move from a trading perspective. So that's where we're at with CRONOS right now. I appreciate you guys as always. Let me know what you think about this down below. Drop your thoughts, your ideas. Drop a like down below as well, and smash the subscribe button if you haven't already. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.